students of class 5th B, welcome to your new online classes. This is your science class and your chapter 3 is completed. Now we will move towards exercise part. So the first question is tick the correct answer. We have to tick the answer which is correct. A part, an example of a lifestyle disease. First, beriberi, second, obesity, third, scurvy, fourth, anemia. So the answer is second, obesity, which is caused due to overeating of junk foods. B. Our muscles become strong by first resting, second exercising, third sleeping, fourth all of them. So the answer is second, exercising. Our muscles become strong by exercising. C part, the nutrient that is called protective food is first fat, second protein, third carbohydrate, fourth vitamin. So the answer is vitamin because vitamin is known as protective food. D, excess of this nutrient can cause obesity. First protein, second minerals, third fat, fourth vitamin. So the answer is third fat. Excess of fat nutrient can cause obesity. E. A growing child requires more of first protein, second fats, third carbohydrates, fourth minerals. So the answer is proteins. A growing child requires more of proteins. Question number 2, match the following. A. Vitamin A. The deficiency of vitamin A can cause night blindness. So the answer is fifth, night blindness. B. Vitamin B. So the deficiency of vitamin B can cause beriberi. So the answer is first one, beriberi. C. Vitamin C. So the deficiency of vitamin C can cause scurvy. So the answer is sixth, scurvy. D. Vitamin D. So the deficiency of vitamin D can cause rickets. So the answer is second, rickets. E. Iodine. So the deficiency of iodine can cause goitre. So the answer is fourth one, goitre. The last one is iron. The deficiency of iron can cause anemia. The answer is third, anemia. Question number 3, give 2 examples of each. We have to give examples of each question. A part, communicable diseases. So the communicable diseases are the diseases which can be transferred from person to person. So the examples are malaria, 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 and the second example is chickenpox, CHICKEN, chicken pox, POX. B. Deficiency diseases. So the examples are night blindness, and second example is beriberi, BERI, berry. C part, foods rich in fats. We have to give the examples of food which are rich in fats. So the example is oil and second one is butter. D. Foods rich in carbohydrates. So the example is bread and second example is rice. E part, foods rich in proteins. Examples are pulses, PULSES, pulses. Second one is eggs, EGGS. Question number 4, answer the following questions briefly. A part, define the terms. We have to write the definitions of these words. First, nutrients. Second, disease. Fourth, balanced diet. So your answer is here. So the first one was nutrients. So nutrients are useful substances present in food. Here is the first answer. Then the second one is disease. So here is the second one. Disease is a condition in which the body does not work properly. Here is the second answer. Then the third one is balanced diet. So balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients, water and roughage in the right proportions. Here is your first answer. B part, what is roughage? Why should it be included in the daily diet? So your answer is here. From here, roughage is the fiber present in food. Roughage adds bulk to the food and helps it to move through the digestive system. It also helps in retaining water and to get rid of undigested food from the body. Here is the second answer. C part, what is malnutrition? List the symptoms a child suffering from malnutrition shows. So your answer is here. Malnutrition, cut it. Malnutrition happens due to insufficient amount of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet of children. A child suffering from malnutrition has, then come here, has very thin arms and legs, a swollen belly, patchy skin, reddish hair color and general weakness. This is the answer of third part. So the D part, why is it important to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily? So your answer is here. It is essential to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily because first, it helps to maintain a constant body temperature. Second, it helps to remove waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Third, it helps in the digestion of food. Fourth, it forms a part of the blood and digestive juices. Here is your fourth answer. So E part, what are lifestyle related diseases? So your answer is here. Lifestyle diseases are defined as diseases linked to the way people live their life. Some examples are smoking, overuse of alcohol, poor diet, and lack of physical exercises. Given below are some examples of lifestyle related diseases: obesity, high blood pressure, stress and anxiety, smoking. This is your fifth answer. All you have to write the heading here. So your chapter is completed now and you have to take all the exercise in your book if you are having the book, and if you are not having the book, write it in your copy, and you have to write the question answers also in your copy. Complete the chapter and learn it. Now let's move towards assessment sheet 1, which is the revision of lesson 1 to 3. So the first one is fill in the blanks. A part, dash carry oxygenated blood. So the answer is arteries, ARTERIES, arteries. B part, dash help in blood clotting. So the answer is platelets, PLATELETS, platelets. C part, unhealthy eating habits like overeating can cause. The answer is obesity, OBESITY. D part, dash is the longest bone in the body. So the answer is femur, FEMUR. E part, the backbone is made up of dash. So the answer is 33 small bones. Question number 2, match the following. A part, hinge joint. So the answer is elbow because hinge joint is present in the elbow. B, RBC. The answer is hemoglobin because hemoglobin is present in RBC. C, ball and socket joint. So the answer is shoulder because these joints are present in the shoulder. D, heart. The answer is fourth, pump blood because the function of heart is to pump blood. E, WBC. WBC helps to fight diseases. So the answer is second, fights diseases. Question number 3, write true or false. A part, the rib cage has 10 pairs of curved bones. The answer is false because it has 12 pairs of curved bones. B, deficiency of vitamin C causes beriberi. The answer is false because it causes scurvy. C part, deficiency of iron causes anemia. The answer is true. D part, sprouting and fermenting are healthy ways of cooking food and eating. The answer is true. E, bones are held together at joints by tendons. The answer is false because they are joined together by ligaments. Question number 4, answer the following questions. A part, distinguish between movable and immovable joints. Your answer is here. Immovable joints, joints that do not allow the movement of bones. The joints of the skull are immovable joints, and movable joints, joints that allow movement of bones are called movable joints. Cartilage is present between movable joints. Here is your first answer. B part, what is malnutrition? Your answer is here. Malnutrition, it happens due to insufficient amount of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet of children. This is your second answer. C part, water deficiency diseases. Here is your answer. Lack of essential vitamins and minerals in diet, they result in deficiency diseases. Here is your third answer. D part, give two differences between arteries and veins. So here is your fourth answer. First we will write about arteries. They have thick and muscular walls. They carry blood away from the heart. Now we will write about veins. So veins, they carry blood from body organs to the heart and they have thin walls. So here is your fourth answer. So the E part, how can you take care of bones and joints? Here is your answer. Care of bones and joints. Bones need regular exercise to stay healthy and in good shape. While sitting, standing, and walking, a good posture must be maintained. Having food rich in calcium helps to make the bones hard and strong. Milk and dairy products are rich in calcium. Here is your fifth answer. Now your assessment sheet is also completed. Your chapter 1, 2, 3 all are completed. You have to write the question answers in your copy and you have to complete the exercise in your book. If you are not having the book, please write it in your copy and learn the exercises and question answers, read the chapters and learn them.